YouTube will pay you $100 to get 10,000 views. If we go ahead and calculate 0.1 cents multiplied by 10,000 views, that is equivalent to $100. If you get 100,000 views, that is equivalent to $1,000 US. YouTube will directly pay out this $100 to your bank account on the 21st of the month. So I went ahead and created a video for you, a 3-step tutorial on how to get paid on YouTube. Ensure that you like the video, share this video, click the notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I post a new video. This is O'Shane Williams. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the video. Google ADSCENCE will go ahead and send you this, which you will get a pin also. The pin will be used to verify your address. Once this is verified, this is your first check basically. And remember, once you reach the threshold of $100 US, you get paid out. If you reach the threshold of $100,000 US, you get paid out. But the threshold starts at $100. Once you reach that threshold, you can always cash out your YouTube money. And if you want to know more about how YouTube views work, definitely go ahead and subscribe and tune in for more. Step number 1, you must have an active YouTube channel with no strikes or copyright claim. You must reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is equivalent to 240,000 watch minutes. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can create a YouTube channel right now. Choose a YouTube name, and then you're going to choose a niche or one topic that you will stay consistent or that you know you can provide on a daily basis, which can gravitate fans and get you a tons of views within a small time frame. Once you reach a threshold of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you're going to go ahead and enable 2-step verification. Once this is enabled, you will be able to opt in the YouTube partner program. For the next step, you're going to go ahead and verify your home address. YouTube will ask you to provide your home address. You will provide your billing address or your post mail address where you can receive your mail. Google ADSCENCE will go ahead and send you this, which you will get a pin also. The pin will be used to verify your address. Once this is verified, this is your first check basically. And remember, once you go on opt-in, it will ask you to verify your identification, which is your passport or driver's license or state ID. Once that is complete, you will go ahead and provide your tax information. If you're not a resident of the United States, you can create a WB-9 tax form that will enable you to pay tax outside of the US. So this is one thing that you must complete in order to move on to the next steps. Once that is completed, the next and final step that you will need right now is to link your bank account. And you can also, if you don't have a US bank account or if you don't have a bank account in your home country, you can use Payoneer. Payoneer enables you to collect your money directly to a US account. All you will need to verify a Payoneer account is your identity as usual, email or phone number. Once you have submit your Payoneer account for review, you will get access to your bank account number and routing number. If you want to receive the US dollars and not in the US, you can use Payoneer as well. Payoneer will pay directly to your bank in US funds if you have a US account as well, and they will not charge any fee. And guys, if this video has helped you out or give you an idea on how YouTube views work, you definitely can leave a like, subscribe.